Hi friends, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make aloe vera soap at home. If you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. To make aloe vera soap, it is always better to take fresh aloe vera leaves. After cutting the aloe vera leaf, a yellow color fluid is coming out. You need to remove this toxin before using the aloe vera leaf. Clean the aloe vera leaves properly under water. Now to make the soap, take any glycerin soap. Instead of this, you can also use any other transparent soap base. Cut the glycerin soap into small pieces. Remove the thorny parts of the aloe vera leaf and cut the aloe vera leaf into thin small slices. Next, put the aloe vera slices into a grinder. To it, add vitamin E capsule. Next, grind the slices of aloe vera leaf. Take some mint leaves, cut into small pieces and add to the aloe vera mixture. Heat the soap pieces using double boiler method and avoid heating the soap directly. After the soap gets melted, add the aloe vera paste into the soap mixture. Mix both the ingredients properly. Take some small box and brush it with coconut oil to pour the soap mixture. Refrigerate the soap mixture for few hours. Now your soap is ready to use. I hope you find this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.